Now we sell all sorts of four-wheel drives here at Acklam Cars. This one's pretty unique. I don't think we've had one ever actually in the VRS. Skoda Kodiaq VRS. That's a 2-litre petrol, four-wheel drive. Now this is a 72, registered in 22, with 15,000 miles on, in a colour called Meteor Grey. Now that's a standout colour in the market at the moment. There isn't another one for sale like this in this colour. But with a sunroof, with 7 seats, it's a 245 brake horsepower, 2-litre petrol engine, 6.6 seconds 0 to 60, family car, which is very sporty. Now, the VRS stands for Victory Rally Sport. Victory Rally Sport, there you go, I've got a little notepad in my pocket. Now that celebrates 45 years of Skoda rally racing and track racing and the success of the Skoda team. And really encompassed in this lovely car. Now it's a four-wheel drive. Look at the wheels and the styling of this, all the black styling, but it's got loads of lovely features. We're having a great time here. The things come off the front, but loads of lovely features. Keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, opening sunroof, 7 seats, rear blinds, reversing camera, winter pack with heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, deployable tow bar. So everything you'd want really from a four-wheel drive is in this car, plus it's got the performance. Now look at that boot space as well. 7 seats are up, big boot space. Parcel shelf under the floor there. Deployable tow bar, how about that? That's how it works. It's not a Range Rover, it doesn't go in like that, you've got to push it, but there you go. You learn something new every day. Colour's called Meteor Grey. Like I said at the start, there's not another car in the VRS with that colour. Keyless entry, keyless start. Now look at the seats as well. Sports seats, Alcantara and leather, great styling on this car. It looks brilliant. And you know, I think if you're looking for something like this, it's got the performance, so 6.6 seconds 0 to 60. Actually, look at that, rear blinds as well. All these little extras really matter when you're buying a car like this. 6.6 seconds 0 to 60, 245 brake horsepower, but it's got DCC, dynamic chassis control, DSG gearbox, so it drives and handles really well. Carbon fibre style trim, electric, memory seats for driver, electric seats for passenger, ambient lighting, another option, keyless start. It's a real top car. We've also got the door edge protectors as you open and close the doors. Can you see that? Nice. Now, coming back around the car, the wheels, special, lovely design. They're called Sagittarius wheels, actually. I remember because I'm a Sagittarian, and red calipers. Matrix lights to the front, coming around the front of this car. It is the newest generation of this car, so it looks great. And I think, you know, for $39,990, that's what we're selling it for. It's a great buy, it really, really is. It's in a lovely condition, will come fully prepared, but it's obviously got Skoda warranty, it doesn't need a great deal. So, Skoda puddle lights to entry level, jumping in. Let's hope this video gets better as we're inside. So, heated steering wheel, heated front seat, adaptive cruise is actually an option on this. Big 10-inch touchscreen behind the steering wheel, all digital, and you've got the 9-inch or so touchscreen on the dash with navigation, Bluetooth, smartphone integration, heated front seat, heated steering wheel, digital climate control, reversing camera, different drive mode selectable here, which is really important because it is a fast car. You can go into sport. Listen to that. Sounds really good. And 3 keys, another really, really nice feature. So, you know, we've got a 7-seat family car with the performance, with all the styling, and with every option on it really you could physically get on one of these cars in the best colour. That's really important as well. So it's going to sell straight away. I know it because whenever we've had these cars, or maybe it's not the VRS version, but the normal diesel version, we've sold them straight away. This is going to be no different. It's on the website now. We have some unbelievable cars at the moment, like the best we've probably ever had. So be quick. Thanks for watching.